Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the Egyptian Guy. Today's recipe is going to be oatmeal cookies. For our ingredients, we're going to need 3 cups of flour. This is all-purpose flour. 1 cup of oil. I'm using vegetable oil. 1 cup of brown sugar. 1 cup of white sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 cup of oatmeal, 1 cup of dried raisins, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Alright guys, first step that we're going to do is mix all our dry ingredients together. I'm going to add the vanilla, the baking powder, my baking soda, and my salt to my flour. Give it a whisk. Alright, our next step, we're going to add our white sugar and brown sugar together. Then I'm going to add my oil to it. And cream my sugar and my fat together. Alright, I've blended my sugar with my oil. Now I'm going to add my 2 eggs. Mix it in with the sugar and the oil. And now I'm going to add my flour a little bit at a time. Okay guys, now I've mixed all my flour in. The next part is going to come your oatmeal and your raisins. And I'm going to use my hand now because it's easier to mix. Okay guys, this is the end result. Now I'm going to use an ice cream scoop and then just shape it out. Alright guys, this is the end result. I got my oven preheated at 350 degrees. You're going to place them on a sheet pan. Leave some space between them because they're going to spread out. And you're also, if you like raisins as much as I do, you can add a few more on top. And now they're ready to go in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Alright guys, I just took them out of the oven. Time to plate them and then dig in.